T20 cricket is about that. Come and dominate, play the fearless brand at the same point of time, learn and adapt. I think this team is learning that. I was very gutted to miss out the most important game, but at the same point of time, the way boys played was outstanding. They showed a lot of character, and at the same point of time, I think all these games are going to help us in the longer run, where we will be tested, we will be, put under pressure. But I think the way we showed how to hold our nerves was fantastic, and yeah, I've always enjoyed any role which I have been given. This time when I came here, I was, handed over the new ball that, I need to bowl the new ball, and which I really enjoyed. And at the same point of time, batting has always been whenever the team requires, I like to bat. My bowling has been my number one priority for a long time now. If Hardik Pandya bowls, batting is never a problem, and I think I treat myself as a pure fast bowler, and I think I have taken a lot of pride in that. Speaking of bowling, I think it is a lot of hard work, a lot of discipline, making sure that I look after my body, making sure I eat well, I'm making sure I sleep well, and yeah, it has been a constant which I really enjoy. I tried making a big deal about it, but as a person, I'm not like that, because in my life I've learned that something in discipline, if you create and if you speak about a lot, or if you create that, it's a very big thing I am doing, you will, on the 15th day, you will lose motivation. So what I have done and what has helped me is that I've made a habit, I made it as a life choice, and I think it has been very fantastic, barring the unfortunate yesterday. Outstanding effort by Abhishek, obviously, leading from the top. The way I think he played and the fearlessness which he showed, I think half of the games he won us just in the power play. And at the same point of time, through bowling, rotating, all the spinners, I think this was a team win.